Namaskaram everyone. Welcome to Quick Trading. So today we are going to see a Bank Nifty option buying strategy. So this is very interesting because we are going to use option Greeks in our strategy. So currently Greeks are available in Streak platform only for the active contracts, unfortunately. But if they add for the expired contracts as well, we can test. However, I have back tested for 2-3 weeks. So whatever already during those active period I have tested them, it works pretty well. So okay, instead of directly deploying it in live, deploy this for in paper trading until you get the confidence. Once you got the confidence, you can deploy it in live and test. Okay, so let us jump into the strategy. The strategy is simple. We are going to buy when IV is decreased. So whenever the implied volatility is decreased, we make an entry. So that means we are buying the contract in a discount price. Okay, so whenever if IV is increased, prices will be very high, and there are chances of it is cooling down very fastly. Okay, so we need to buy in the money contract. So since there will be less decay compared to out of the money or ATMs. So for any directional view, we are going to use MACD or Vertex. This is just for example. You can use any of your own indicators, whatever you feel like for directional, or else you no need to have any indicators. If you have a view, for example positive view, market will go up, then directly deploy CE, where if you have negative view, deploy the PE with this IV and in the money strategy. Okay, it is recommended to have one trade per day, but again this I can depend on. So let us jump directly into the streak. There is nothing to show in graph for this strategy, so let us jump into the streak and hide the algo. So we are going to select Bank Nifty index. Here I am going to showcase for CE. You need to write the similar one for PE as a current weekly. Let us try for weekly and then we'll also see for monthly how it works. 5 minutes, I'm giving 4 lots. So option Greeks, here we have discussed to use IV, implied volatility, crosses below, period min 6, option Greeks, IV, offset I'm giving -1. So this statement meaning implied volatility has been crossed below less than the last 6 time frames, last 6 candles time frame. IV has been decreased that much. So if IV has been dropped here, then we are making an entry, crosses below the last 6 time frame. Here I give a -1 because previous. Okay, and then we are going to add our directional view as well. Bank Nifty, here let us use higher time frame so that these indicators will give more good results. 10 minutes MACD, higher than MACD signal, and Vertex, comes to Vertex, higher than Vertex, then negative. So here the positive trend is going on in the market in 10 minutes time frame, but we don't know when to make an entry. So we are going to use the Greeks whenever the IV has been reduced from last 6 candles. So we are going to buy in discount price, and then so you can also add delta as well here. Option Greeks delta higher than 0.6. Here delta can be used in many ways, but here what this means is there are 60% chances that this particular contract will be in the money by the time of expiry. So this is one of other Greek you can add. So let us target for 40 points. 40 points, 1:1 risk reward. So percentage 2 points I changed. Strategy cycle 1 I have put. So quick trading Bank Nifty CE buying. So what you need to do for PE, you need to change the CE to PE. and offset will be 3 for in the money PE side, and then this will be the same. This you need to change the higher than to lower than, and the delta will be negative for PE, positive for CE. Hope you know this, you need to change. Okay, let us backtest. Let us backtest for this month, because anyway contracts will be available only for this month. So as you see, there is a 12,000 profit with 1:1 risk reward. Out of 12 signals, 8 are success, 4 are losers. So we can also change this to weekly to monthly, and we can also increase our risk reward, for example 40, 60. As you see, 29,000, 30,000 is the profit with 40, 60. Risk reward is also very good. 18 out of 18 signals, 13 are wins, for 5 are losers. Okay, thanks for watching. If you have any other strategies in your mind, or you want to check it out, you can also put a comment over there, so that we can collaborate together and try it out, any good strategies if it works. Thanks guys, thanks for watching.